What would you do if your business was under attack right now? No warning, no time to prepare, just a ticking clock and a threat that could destroy everything. This isn't a movie. This is real life. Cyber attacks are happening every day, and the stakes couldn't be higher. But here's the good news. Some businesses come out on top. How? By having the right cyber insurance? Hi, I'm Nimesh, and today we're going to dive into real-life cyber insurance claims. True stories that show just how critical this coverage can be. Stick with me, because these stories might just save your business. Meet Sam, a successful business owner who thought he was prepared for anything until he wasn't. One day, he received what looked like a routine email from a client. But when he clicked the attachment, his entire system was taken over by ransomware. The attackers demanded $20,000 in Bitcoin, threatening to delete all his client data if he didn't pay up. With the clock ticking, Sam was facing a nightmare scenario, one that could destroy his business and reputation. But Sam wasn't alone. He had cyber insurance. His policy covered the ransom payment, the cost of restoring his data, and even the lost income while his business was down. Sam's story is fictional, but let me share a real case. In 2019, the city of Baltimore was hit by a ransomware attack called Robinhood. The attackers demanded $76,000 in Bitcoin to restore access to the city's systems. Instead of paying the ransom, Baltimore chose to rebuild its systems, a decision that ultimately cost the city over $18 million. This case highlights the massive financial impact ransomware can have and why having cyber insurance is crucial. Next, let's talk about John. He runs a thriving online retail business. But one day, his worst fear came true: a data breach. Hackers broke into his system and stole thousands of customer records, including credit card information. With his customers' trust on the line, John knew he had to act fast. The breach could result in lawsuits, regulatory fines, and a PR disaster. Thankfully, John had a comprehensive cyber insurance policy. It covered the costs of notifying affected customers, provided credit monitoring, and even helped with the legal and PR fallout. John's business took a hit, but it survived, and so did his reputation. John's story mirrors the real-life case of Target in 2013. Hackers gained access to the personal and financial information of over 40 million customers during the holiday shopping season. The breach cost Target an estimated $162 million in expenses related to customer notifications, credit monitoring, and legal fees. This case shows how devastating a data breach can be and why having cyber insurance can be a lifesaver for businesses of all sizes. Now, let's talk about a threat that's harder to detect: social engineering. Lisa, an employee at a mid-sized firm, received an urgent email from her CEO asking her to wire $50,000 to a new vendor. The email looked legitimate, and with no time to double-check, Lisa complied. But the email wasn't from her CEO. It was from a cybercriminal who had spoofed the CEO's email address. The money was gone, and Lisa felt responsible for the mistake. Lisa's company was devastated, but their cyber insurance policy included coverage for social engineering scams. The insurer reimbursed the stolen funds and helped the company put stronger safeguards in place. This scenario reflects the real-life case of Ubiquiti Networks in 2015. The company lost $46.7 million in a sophisticated social engineering scam where criminals impersonated Ubiquiti executives and convinced employees to transfer funds to fraudulent overseas accounts. Fortunately, the company recovered a significant portion of the funds through insurance and legal action. This case highlights the need for strong internal controls and the importance of having social engineering coverage in your cyber insurance policy. So, what can we learn from these stories? Each of these businesses faced a different type of cyber threat, but the common thread is that they all had cyber insurance. Without it, the outcomes could have been disastrous. Always be prepared. Cyber attacks can happen to anyone, anytime. Preparation is key. Know your policy. Make sure your cyber insurance covers the specific threats your business might face. Act quickly in a cyber crisis. Time is of the essence. Having a response plan and insurance in place can make all the difference. Don't assume you're safe. No business is too small to be a target. Cyber insurance is essential in today's digital landscape. These are real scenarios with real consequences. Cyber insurance isn't just a policy, it's your lifeline when things go wrong. If these stories have opened your eyes to the importance of cyber insurance, don't wait until it's too late. Protect your business today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more essential insights, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay vigilant, stay protected, and see you in the next video.